Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Okay, if you are here, please type yes in the chat box. If you're here, just type yes in the chat box, please. Okay. Let me know if we are here. So that okay. Let's wait a bit.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. All right. Let's start now. Okay. Let us start now. Okay. Last week, we looked at HTML tables, right? Okay. We looked at HTML tables. Okay. All right. And we looked at some elements that are used in the tables. Okay. Elements like TR. Okay. TR stands for table row. So TR is your row. Okay. Your row. TR. Then we looked at TD. That's cell. A cell in a row. Okay. TD stands for cell or data, table data. Then we looked at T head. Okay, now T head, body, and footer are all sections. Inside them, you will still have TR and TD. Okay. All right. So T head, T body, and T foot are table sections. Inside them, you will still have TR and TD. Okay. All right. Now today we'll be looking at more elements and attributes. We'll be looking at list elements. Okay. We have two types of list elements: unordered list UL and ordered list OL. Okay, so list elements can be unordered UL or ordered OL. Okay. Then we'll look at list item. Okay, now when you have a list, you need to put items inside your list. Okay, so inside UL or OL, you have LI. LI means list item. Okay, so this is your list element, either unordered or ordered, UL or OL, and this is your list item, LI. Next, we'll look at anchor element. Okay, I explained in the first class that anchor element lets you link to another page. Okay, if you want to go to another page, you use anchor element A. Okay, then we'll look at image element. Now, if you notice, image element is different. um, okay, image element is weird. It's a bit different. Okay, the opening tag of image element is just this one, while this is the closing tag. Okay, it's different from these ones. If you look at anchor, opening tag is this one, closing tag is this one. But in image, this this first part here is the opening tag, and this is your closing tag. Okay, so we can say that image actually has no closing tag. It's just an opening tag. Okay. Now we also look at some attributes. We look at co-span. We look at href or hyperlink ref. Then we'll look at SRC, which means source. Okay, source for your image or for or for any other file. If you want to link if you want to link an external file into your HTML page, you use SRC, which stands for source. Okay, co-span, href, SRC, and then heights. Okay, these are all attributes that we look at today. And then we have alt, alt, alt. Okay, all right. Now let's go to our VS Code. Okay, open um, home.html. Okay, we are working on it on Tuesday. Okay, so now please open home.html. Now, if you do not have a laptop, okay, please write down the codes in a notebook. Okay, you can still write it down. You can still write it down and follow along with the class. Okay, get a notebook and then write it down. Okay, all right. Let me wait for you to open your VS Code. Okay. Okay. Please open VS Code. If you opened it, please type done in the chat box. Let me know. If you opened it, please type done in the chat box. Okay. All right. That's good. So we are all we are in home.html now, right? Good, good. Excellent. All right. Okay. Let me share that screen now. Hold on. All right. Okay. Now we can see our home.html that we created last week. Okay. If you can see my screen, please type yes in the chat box. If you can see my screen, please type yes. All right, all right. Excellent, excellent. Okay. Let's go on now. Okay. Now the first thing that we are going to do is to remove my first page. Okay. Let's remove this. Okay. We want to put another thing inside this div. Instead of my first page, we want to put another thing. Okay. Now inside it, we want to put an unordered list. Unordered lists. Remember, that is ul, unordered lists. Okay, so just type UL and press enter. Okay. Okay. Let me do it again. Okay. VS Code automatically adds tags. Okay, so just type UL and it will add the tag automatically. Okay, so type UL and press enter. Okay, so UL stands for unordered lists. All right. Now, remember, inside your list, you need list items. Okay, so you have your lists, you still need list items. So let's add a list item element, which is li, and you press enter. Or if you want to type it in full, you can put the tags. Okay, li is your list element. Okay. Okay. Are we here? Are we here? Have we created our first list element? All right, good, good, good. Excellent. Fantastic. Okay. Now, inside our list element, okay, we have a list. Now we have our first element. Now, inside our first element, the content is going to be another element. Okay. We want to put an anchor element A, element A. Okay, so we have a list. First element, first item is your anchor element. Okay, UL is our list, LI is our list, L is our list item, and then A is your anchor element. So this means that our first item in the list is an anchor element. So put your anchor element A. Okay. Now add some attributes. href. Press enter. So we want to add a href attribute. We want to add hyperlink. Okay, so this is going to link to week1.html. Okay. Then the content of our anchor is going to be week one. Week one. Okay. All right. Now save. Save. Okay. Save. Okay. Now let's go back to our folder. Okay, right click on home and open with Chrome. Let us see what we have done so far. Okay, open with Chrome. Okay, all right. Now, so we should have this. As you can see, week one is a list item. This dot here means that it is a list item. Okay, this dot means it is a list item for an unordered list. If it was OL, it would have been one. Instead of dots, it would have been one. But since it is UL, okay, this is dot here, and now this is a hyperlink to HTML. Sorry, to week1.html. Okay, so this is a hyperlink. All right. If you have this, let me see your yes in the chat box now. Do we all have this now? Week 1 in our page. All right, good. Excellent job. Excellent. So if we click on this, it is meant to take us to a page. Good. But it's saying our file was not found. Who knows why? Why is it saying our file was not found? Why is it saying our file was not found? Raise your hand so that I would unmute you. You can raise your hand so that I would unmute you. Why is it saying our file was not found? Okay. Yes, Farouk. Why? Okay. He doesn't want to talk. Farouk is shy. Okay.
Farouk is not here.
Okay. Farouk, yes. Why is it saying file not found?
I don't see the code.
Hello? Farouk, are
I
you there?
don't see the code.
No, it does. Okay. Umar, why is it saying file not found? When we clicked on week 1, it said it's meant to take us to week 1.html, but it is saying file not found. Why?
Because we haven't created it.
Excellent.
We haven't created anything.
Very good, Umar. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, we have not yet created week 1.html. Okay, so that's why it is saying file not found. Good job, Umar. Okay, let's go back to our VS code. Now just minimize this. Minimize it. Let's go back to VS Code. Okay. All right. Now click on File and click on New File. Okay. Now we are going to name this one week1.html. Okay. All right. All right. Just come to File and then save now. Save. Make sure you save it in your folder. Okay. Save the type as HTML and change the name to week 1. Okay. Make sure you save it in your folder. Save the type as HTML and make the name week 1. Now save. Okay. 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 So let's go back to Chrome now. Chrome. Okay. Let's go back to Chrome and refresh. Refresh it. Okay. Now open now. Now we have it now. It is an empty file. Okay. If you created week 1, please type yes in the chat box. You should have an empty file now. We've created it, so no more errors. Okay. If we have created week 1, please type yes in the chat box. All right. Let's go on now. Okay. Let's go back to our home.html. Now, I want you to create another list item inside your unordered list. Create another list item. Create another one. Okay. Create another list item. Someone raised his hand. Yes. Yes, Mohammed, you raised your hand. Okay. Araoluwa, yes.
Excuse me, sir, but my
Yes.
page is just showing blank.
Yes, yes.
Blank.
It should be blank.
Nothing is on it. It's just blank, and it's not showing week1.html.
Why now? Did you add the code, list item, and everything?
Yes.
Okay. So you added this item to home.html. Did you save it?
Yes.
And you saved it?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Save it again, and then go to Chrome,
Okay.
and then refresh
Okay.
again.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now, please add another list item. So we should have 2. Okay. Let's add another one. List item. Press enter. Okay. Inside it, we'll add anchor. Anchor element. Press enter. Yes, Mohammed. Yes, Mohammed. Hello.
Naquele vídeo. Não, mas eu não entendo.
Hello.
É. É.
All right. Now, this one is going to link to week2.html. Okay. And the content is going to be week 2. All right. If you've done this, please type yes in the chat box. If you have two list items now, type yes in the chat box. You should have two. Okay. Let me wait. Okay. All right. So save it. Save. Save. Okay. Go back to Chrome. Okay. Back to Chrome and refresh. Now we have week 1 and week 2. Okay. Are we here? Are we here? Okay. Let me wait a bit. Okay. All right. Let's go back to VS Code and create week 2. Okay. So back to VS Code, click on File and then New File, then Save. Click on File and then Save. Save this new file as week 2. Change the type to HTML. Now save it. All right. So you should have home, week 2 and week 1. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, after our lists, okay, under the list, we are going to create a table. Table. Okay. All right. If you created your table, please type yes in the chat box. If you've created your table, please type yes in the chat box. If you've created your table, please type yes in the chat box. All right. Now let us create sections. Okay. First section is going to be what? Table head. That is the first section. And the second one after it, table body. All right. So it should have two. It should have two. T head, table head, and T body, table body. Okay. So you have a table and two sections inside it. Okay. Now, in our table head, okay, let me show you what the table is going to look like. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is going to be our table. Okay. We can see that it has 3 rows. This is row 1, row 2, and row 3. Row 1 is your table head. So this is going to be inside our T head section. Now, row 2 and row 3 are your table bodies. So row 2 and row 3 are going to be inside your T body section. All right, so let's go back to our code now. All right, so inside table head, type TH. Sorry, type TR. Sorry, table row. We need a row, and inside the row, we need TH, table head. Okay. Okay. So inside your head, you type TR for table row. Inside that row, you type TH. Now the content of TH is my summer camp experience. Okay, let's save it. Let's save. Okay, my summer camp experience. Okay, so just like this one here. Okay, so save, go to Chrome and refresh. So we should all have this now. All right. Okay. Now inside our table body, inside the body, we will create a row. Inside the body, create a row, TR, press enter. And remember, inside your row, you should have what? A cell. So the first cell, TD, cell or data. Inside your body, create a row. Inside the row, create a cell. Now, inside the cell, you now create an anchor element. You create an anchor element, A, press enter. And href is going to be week1.html. Yep, same. Okay, so inside your body, create a row. Inside the row, create a cell. Inside the cell, create an anchor element. All right, now inside the anchor element, you are going to create an image. Okay, so type img, image element, and press enter. All right, now we can see src attributes and alt attributes. Okay, now inside srt, you are going to type pastry pastry.jpeg. Yes. Okay, so image. Now the source of this image is what? Pastry.jpg. Okay, so source is an attribute, src. Now alt, this alt means what if there is something wrong with this source? What should I do? Okay, so alt stands for alternative. Okay, it means if there's something wrong with this source, what should I do? Okay, so that is what alt stands for. Okay, all right, so let's type image not found. Okay, so if there's something wrong with our source, okay, we would see image not found. All right, now save this, save now, save. Okay, all right, are we here? Are we here now? Are we here? Excellent, excellent. Okay, excellent. Good job. Now save it. Go to Chrome. Go to Chrome. Hold on. Hold on. Let me go to Chrome. Okay. Let's go to Chrome. Okay. Where is our Chrome now? All right. Chrome. Okay. And refresh. Okay. So I have mine. If I remove the image, let me remove the image. Okay, I've removed it and I refresh. I'll have image not found. Okay, so you should have image not found in yours because you do not have any image called pastry.jpg. Okay, so you should have this. All right, so we would stop here today. Okay. So we would stop here. Okay. Okay. Oh, all right, everybody. Hello. Did we all get this? Image not found. We should have week 1, week 2, image not found. Okay. All right. Okay. So we've come to the end of today's class. Okay. So next week we'll continue building our web page. Okay. Thank you, everyone. All right. Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody. Bye bye.
It's time. Oh. Should I end again? Should I end? Has it finished? I think he has finished.
All right.